We are in beautiful Lake Como and we are going to be making a delicious Italian drink called the Campari Spritz. My name is Alyena and welcome to Italy. So the first thing you're going to want to do is add an orange slice, or you can use an orange peel, it's up to you. To our glass, we're going to be adding in 2 ounces of Campari. I actually got this from the bar downstairs because it was kind of expensive to buy the whole bottle and we are leaving tomorrow. So here we have our 2 ounces of Campari going in. To that, I'm going to be adding in 1 ounce of, you can either use soda water or sparkling water. I'm just using some Frizzante sparkling water. There we go, 1 ounce going in. So now we're going to be adding in 3 parts of our prosecco, so 3 ounces. And we are currently in Verona on Lake Como. I love this town. It's so beautiful and it's really easy to get to the ferry and the train station from here, which when you're traveling is always a plus. Now I'm just going to give our drink a nice little stir, make sure everything is combined. And now my favorite part of any video is getting to taste our creation. So let's taste it. That's really good. I think this is so tasty. Personally, I might add a little bit more champagne or prosecco to it just to give it a bit more sweetness. But if you love Campari or a less sweet drink, then you'll really enjoy this because it is so refreshing and so crisp. Thank you so much for watching and ciao until next time. And if you want to see more of my Italian Spritz series, I made a limoncello Spritz in Cinque Terre and an Aperol Spritz in Venice. There we go. That definitely took a little bit more strength than I thought it would.